Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to make a fluffy egg cake. You need only one egg and it is very easy to make. You can do this either sweet or spicy. Here I am going to do the sweet version. Take one egg. Separate the white and the yolk. Make sure that even a single drop of egg yolk is not getting into the white side. If so, the whites will not get fluffy while beating. Let us add the required amount of salt. Now we are going to beat the yolk and the white separately. I am using an electric beater here. You also can use a fork spoon, but it will consume a little more extra time. Once it becomes frothy, you can add the sugar. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You have to add it little by little and give a nice beat. If you want to make this spicy, don't add sugar. Beat this continuously until stiff peaks are formed. Then add some pepper powder or chili powder. Finally, your egg white has to be like this. Now take a pan, grease it with ghee or butter. Keep the flame on low and then add the beaten yolk. Close this and cook for a few seconds. Now it's time to add the beaten egg white. Close this and cook in low flame for about a minute. So here the egg got cooked. Let us take it out now. So here our fluffy egg cake is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.